What's going on, guys? I got a new phone, a different phone, so I'm trying to see if it'll make it sound a little bit better. Anyhow, I put the factory mufflers back on it with the factory tips, as you can see right there, and then right there, and it sounds good. It's got a little bit of mellow at idle, you know, it's not obnoxious, has zero drone, and I don't have a resonator on it. It sounds great going down the road. When you get on it, it talks to you. So this is it idling. I'm going to turn the phone around because the speakers are on the front of this phone to see if that helps. So just bear with me a second. Okay, babe, go ahead and rev it up a little bit. Good. All right, goose it once or twice. Okay, that's good. So anyhow, that's what it sounds like. The smoke, as you can see, is coming from the mufflers. They're full of oil. I drove it to Wilmington and back today, a two-hour round trip, and it's burning it out. It doesn't do it until the exhaust gets hot, and then it starts burning out the oil that's in the mufflers. So it might take me a minute to get it out. Anyhow, I just wanted to let you guys see how it sounds with factory mufflers, no resonator, and maximizer headers, and it sounds good. It's perfect for me. All right, guys.